Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Translate for travel. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So imagine that you are traveling. You need a translation tool to know what the other person is talking. So you can follow these steps to use Translate for your travel. So all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Google Translate. Once you are in your Google Translate, you can simply download language for offline use. If you are going to visit China, then you can simply download the Chinese translation. Or if you're going to go Korea or England, then you can simply download the language of that particular country. Now you can simply use the camera icon, or like you can simply use the images or text option to simply scan the document. After this, you can simply translate it in real time. The key feature include typing, handwriting, and saving phrases. For best results, you can download the language practice before leaving, ensure your phone is charged, and speak clearly. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again really soon. Thank you for watching.